So the gentleman has a slow leak in his rear tire. It's a 700 by 35C. Gonna put some slime in it. Hopefully. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Release the brakes. That way I don't get no slime on the brake pads. Get a little rag. Let's see here. Gotta get my Schrader valve removal tool. Left it right here. Okay, so deflated. So I just removed the valve core, Schrader valve core. Got the slime right here. Now slime recommends it to insert 4 ounces into the inner tube. So very simple. You gotta shake it up, that way you mix the fibers with the slime. Okay. You don't want to put too much, because if the inner tube gets a serious major leak, you're gonna have a lot of slime to clean up, and that's no bueno. So go ahead. I'm gonna put this in here. Tighten it up. I gotta clean up the mess. Let's see. Wipe that up. Good thing it didn't even drip on the surface area where the brake pads come into contact. If it does get slime on your rim, you need to clean it off where it comes into contact with the brake pads. Okay, and I'm gonna pump it up. Pump it up. Hey, how's it going? Bien. So this is 175 to 100 psi is the recommended tire pressure.
I hardly ever put that much in.
Yeah, I mean,